Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yet this scholar is narrating a story in Urdu. Don't worry, I will translate it before telling the story. Please subscribe the channel if you are new, thanks. This scholar is saying that the method of whispering of Satan and the wazifa to avoid it. Two brothers lived in a village in Iran. Both had a lot of love. People used to give an example of their love. The elder brother's name was Abdullah and the younger one's name was Abdul Rahman. Abdullah was married and the father of 4 children, while Abdul Rahman was unmarried. Both worked as potters and were very skilled in their craft. Twice a year, they would go to the city to save their prepared utensils, and on their return, they would buy the necessities of life. He used to get reasonable income from this business. As usual, the 2 brothers left for the city with the pot. It was a journey of several days. They were just 1 day away from the city when it was 2 o'clock. They unloaded the goods from the donkeys under a shady tree. He put the grain in front of the donkeys, performed ablution, performed the Zuhr prayer, and started eating. He had just finished eating when he heard the sound of a person walking. They saw a person coming towards them with flying dust. The man approached and said, "Oh friends, do you need a companion?" The elder brother replied, "Why not? A companion makes the journey easier." After some rest, the journey started again. During the journey, the stranger found the elder brother alone and inquired about the situation and asked him in conversation that after selling the goods, "Do you both divide equally?" In reply, the elder brother said, "Yes, the important thing is what they do." The stranger said, "Look, brother, you are the one with children. You have more rights, and you are more involved in hard work. The younger one is alone. Have you ever thought about this aspect?" Thus, the stranger created a whisper in the heart of the elder brother. He vowed in his heart that this time he would participate more. The stranger took the opportunity and asked the younger brother, "After selling the goods, both of you, divide equally?" The younger brother also gave the same answer. "Yes, we do the same." The stranger said, "Brother, you are not married yet. You have to build a house, and you live in a deficit in the distribution of income. You also do a lot of work. Your elder brother is busy with his children. How will your house be built? Where will the wedding expenses come from?" The younger brother also became a victim of gossip. Like a stranger shadow, sometimes he would fill the ears of the younger brother, and sometimes he would fill the ears of the elder brother. After reaching the city, the goods were sold at very good prices. After making the necessary purchases, both brothers went to the Jama Masjid to offer Friday prayers. During the sermon, Imam Sahib explained Surat al-Nas, that the devil somehow creates whispers in human minds, and said that if anyone speaks to you in such a way, it will cause a rift between them. If there is an accident or greed wakes up, you people immediately read, "There is no power and no power except by Allah." In this way, that evil whisper will disappear immediately. The 2 brothers understood. He read outside the mosque. The stranger immediately disappeared. Both told each other everything and apologized to each other. They forgave each other wholeheartedly and thanked Allah for making Imam Sahib their guide. After that, he came to Imam Sahib's service and thanked him from his heart, because thanks to him, he got rid of Satan. They were saved from a bad trick. I request you again to subscribe the channel, like the video and share as much as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.